So the first thing that this asks us to do is graph this function. Now, it is easiest to graph when we know what transformations are happening. What transformations are happening to this function?
Down 5.
Yes, it is translating down 5. So over here I would put translates down 5, and also translates, what'd you say, Roman? Good. Left 1. The plus 1 means we go left 1. What else is happening?
Oh, this apple's trash.
What else is happening to this function? Not translating up 3. Yes, it's a vertical stretch by 3. Now we know that the radical parent function, the square root parent function, starts at 0, 0. But this function has translated where? Where is it moved? Did we just discuss?
Down 5, left 1.
Down 5, left 1. So our starting point, we go down 5, left 1. That's our initial point. Has this been stretched or compressed?
Yes.
Yes, it's been stretched by 3. If it hadn't been stretched, from this point, where would we go? If it hadn't been stretched? Up 1, over 1. But it has been stretched, so what do we do?
You do
Up 3, over 1. And I'm done graphing. That's it.
Whoa, I did that wrong.
Easy peasy. No stamps today. It's still worth a warm up, but I'm not stamping today because this warm up was hard.
So I can't really see it, but is the x plus 1 minus 5 all in the square root?
The minus 5 is not.
Okay.
It being outside means it's your up and down movement.
So if I put that in my y equals, that whole entire thing, it would show me the graph of that.
Yes.
And then I would write down the graph.
Yep,
Yeah. But how do we get the domain range set with that?
that's what we're about to do.
Okay.
All right, now we're looking at domain and range. Domain is which values? Your x values. We always ask ourselves lowest to highest, right? What is our lowest x value? -1. What is our max x value? Infinity. So set notation is which notation? Squiggly. Squiggly. How do I write this?
X line
X such that X is where from -1? Greater than or equal to -1. Right? All of our X values are bigger than -1. What is our smallest, our least Y value? How low down do I go?
Did you put a line through the equal sign?
No, it's not an equal sign. It's greater than or equal to.
Oh, okay.
So our lowest Y value is where? -5. And what's our max Y value? Infinity. So how do I write this notation?
Thank you.
Say thank you.
He did. Y such that Y is bigger than or equal to
-5.
-5. All of our Y values are bigger than or equal to -5.
Lunchtime.
Any questions here?
No.
All right, just really quickly, how could I solve for X? What do I have to do?
I didn't even see those.
So 625 squared by 43.
Right, well, raised to, we say. So this X, written in rational exponent form, is 3/4. How do we get rid of the 3/4? Yes, you raise it to the reciprocal power, 4/3. So what is 625 raised to 4/3?
The number.
I got it.
It's already on the board.
It's not just 5. It's something bigger.
It's 5.
Naya, what did you get
For what?
for this one?
I got 5,343.67. That's I'm pretty sure that's right.
I thought it was a whole number. So hold on. Lindy's trying to do it.
I swear.
Where's the?
Okay. Here we go. I'll do it on my calculator. So we have,
15,625.
whoa, no. 525 raised to 4 divided by 3. You're right. I thought you were wrong, Naya. You were right. That was our answer.
Good job.
And then how do I rewrite the 5th root of x to the 7th power in exponential form?
The 7 is on top,
The 7 is the numerator,
and then 5 is the denominator.
and the root 5 is your denominator. So we have x to the 7th fifths. Did I spell denominator right?
No,
Is an E?
it should be a
See,
Denominator?
sure.
Wonderful. Any questions at all on this warm-up?
No.
You have a quiz over this next class.
Can I have it with me?
Sure, yeah, he can take the quiz with you. No, I'm joking.
Just send me pictures of the console.